Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Windows 11 and how to secure your Microsoft Edge browser. So how to keep it secure, and if you're doing online shopping or using your banking details or anything, you can make your Microsoft Edge browser as secure as possible. So in order to do that, we can actually just add some add-ons, Edge add-ons. If you Google Edge, Microsoft Edge add-ons, you'll ended up on this page. So here in the search bar, the first add-ons I normally use is Avast Free Online Security and Privacy, and you can use AVG Online Security also. It's also actually free, but it works extremely good. So I already added that. And the second add-ons I normally use, it's Malwarebyte. So on top you can select that Malwarebyte Browser Guard. It is extremely good and you can get it in for your browser, Microsoft Edge browser, and definitely it will protect you online. And that's how you add some extra security layer on your Edge browser. And thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.